Hello everyone, this is Ryan Beardsley with Beardsley Auction Service LLC located in Lowell, Ohio. Here we have the 2012 Ford Taurus Police Interceptor, all-wheel drive. Very nice retired car here. This is a 2012 with 116,000 miles on it. It is all-wheel drive. Tires are good. Give you a quick peek as we do our walk around. Radio's on. Need that piece of your dash there, folks. Or console, sorry, not dash. It has the hard back seat. All windows are tinted. All power windows work. So this car has 116,074 miles. Again, 116,074. It might go up by one or two as we move it around our parking lot and whatnot and let people take a look at this. Now this car has the larger motor in it. It is the 3.7. As you can hear, it does have an exhaust leak, so that's going to need some attention. Here's your battery switch. These cars don't get driven very much within the village. This car was used for like the Oktoberfest parade and traffic control and other parades as well. So they don't get driven very much, so they have the battery shut off switch. But again, a decent retired car here. It's a 2012 all-wheel drive. Nice Ford Taurus. So if you have any questions or if you'd like to see this car in person, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can give us a buzz at 740-525-5756. You can bid on this car now at beardsleauctions.com. That's BEARDSLEY, auctions with an S.com. Thanks for watching the video. Good luck at the auction.